Hey folks, how are you? In today's video I'm going to talk about a recipe that feels like traveling to Africa, Piri-Piri sauce. It's basically a pepper sauce, and for my recipe I use some Anaheim pepper, Calabrian chili, Pequin pepper, American jalapeño, Romanian pepper, 4 garlic cloves, 1 lime, a red onion, a red bell pepper, a bouquet garni, parsley, basil, chives, and rosemary, some hot paprika, smoke powder, and salt, some apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and black pepper to taste. Don't forget one of the most important items in this recipe: gloves. Yes, that's right. Always wear gloves when handling the peppers to avoid any problems. All set. Choose your favorite playlist and just press play. After washing all the ingredients, put on your pair of gloves and start chopping everything. In some countries we might not be able to find the peppers for the original recipe, so we may as well use some local peppers instead. It's going to be as delicious as the genuine sauce. Cut the pedicel off and chop the rest, regardless their shape, and put them all into the blender. Piri-Piri is an African recipe, and you might think of South Africa. That's a very popular destination for students who want to do an English course in an English-speaking country. I highly suggest researching it. When dealing with the red bell pepper, remove the seeds and all that white part inside. Chop the onion and the garlic as well. And now add some lime juice, the herbs, the vinegar, and dry seasonings, paprika, salt, smoke powder, and black pepper too, because it may not be too spicy anyway. Mix everything, no worries. It looks like it won't mix everything up, but it will. Pour the blended stuff into a pan and let it cook for about 30 minutes or until you notice its texture is thick, like tomato sauce. Remember to put the lid on, because as it boils, it will splash everywhere. Stir from time to time to check the consistency of the sauce. Once it's done, it's ready to serve. It's very good to eat with fish or chicken, as well as a delicious appetizer. Enjoy it! Guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like the recipe, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel and also to our Instagram. Why wouldn't you? And if you make Piri-Piri sauce, comment below. And until next time, see you!